Welcome back to my YouTube channel Khan Life, and today we are going to unbox this AirPods 3 which I bought from the Apple India at the rupees of 18,500 only. So without further delay, let's get started. Here's the box. Let's cut the box. Here is our product. This is the receipt of the AirPods 3 including GST. And let's take out this AirPods 3. And here are the details of Apple product. AirPods 3 designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. And here is the detail of manufacturer, Apple Inc. And common generic name, wireless earphones, and etc. and all. Here is the AirPods MagSafe charging case. This is the Apple logo. This is my iPhone 13 Pro. You can also check out the pre-order video and unboxing video of this iPhone 13 Pro. Link is in the description below. And I'm going to pair this iPhone to this AirPods. And this is the common paperwork from the Apple, which Apple do with every product. This is the AirPod user guide, because AirPods 3 has a very fantastic features. And this is the common paperwork from the Apple, designed by Apple in California. And here is our product, AirPods 3. Let's peel off this. Designed by Apple in California. Let's check what else inside the box. Oh, here's the cable also. Let's check what cable is this. Oh, this is the lightning cable. USB-C to lightning cable. That's great. And let's pair this AirPods. Now I'm going to open this, and very soon it may pop up. Here it is. Now it is showing some basic guides: answering call, listening music, etc. and all things which is showing right now. You just have to wait here. And the product is, I think, ready. Let's check if it is connected or not. Oh, not connected yet. So I need to remove this from the case. Let's wear it. As I put them into the ear, they are connected. As I remove, they are disconnected. It's a very easy and simple user interface. Very easy to connect it and disconnect it. Just let me connect it. Very simple. Now let's check the other features of this AirPods 3, which is spatial audio. For this we have to play some music first. So the music is playing right now on the AirPod. And here is the option: spatial audio, mono audio. Now you just have to move your head either side, you may feel. And this is the static condition of the spatial audio. Now you can feel if you move your head to either side, music will come from the other side. I can totally feel here. You can also. Let's check out the other feature of the AirPods. You just have to click here, and here's the option which is for the background music. You can choose the soothing background music for the better sleep, and you can increase or decrease the volume from here. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share. Subscribe and share the video.